Hey everyone, thanks for checking back. We're now going to do the spiral Smithfield ham in the crock pot because we already have our turkey in the oven. So we're going to be able to put this in the crock pot, forget about it until it's just about time to serve. So what we want to do is we're going to open up this package and we're going to get it ready to place right into the crock pot. Now we have it in a crock pot and we're going to add just a little bit of water. It's going to create its own juice, but I want to start it out with a little bit of something. And then we're going to open up the packet that came with it for the glaze and we're going to pour that over the top. And I like to spread it out. I'll actually go ahead and separate the slices and pour some down inside of the slices so that it's good. Now our lid barely fits on, but this crock pot's awesome. It's got the little hinges, so we're able to put that lid on and then snap it tight. And as it cooks, it's actually going to cook down and it'll be good. So let's set this on high and forget about it for now.